In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert an image on the Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open your Outlook application on your desktop PC. Of course, if you have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll need to go and open any browser you are currently using in your laptop or PC or desktop. And then, so if you don't have it, as I said, just go to open whatever browser you have and go to the URL section, type download Outlook, hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading it. Of course, steps will be pretty easy. It will be like any other download. You must have been downloaded something in your PC before, an application. It will be the same steps, so you can do them by your own. So once it's downloaded in your PC, install it and open the application. Then they will ask you to log in into your account once you open it. If you have an account, this will be great. Log in into your account, but if you don't, just go and create one from there if you have the option to. Otherwise, if you don't, you will need to go to their website, which is the Outlook website. And once you created your account, just go back to Outlook and log in into your account. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to insert an image on our Outlook. So of course, if you want to do that, simply, first of all, you can just go and reply to a message, or you can just go and create a new email here from the top left corner option, click on it, and then new window will pop out for you. Of course, I'm not going to talk about this from 2CC subjects. You know it. If you want to create an email, we will not care about that now. So of course, just go here and type the email that you want. And once you want to insert your image, simply if you want to do that, go here to attach file option, click on it. And then you can just, if you find the image that you want from recent items, this will be cool. If you don't find this, you can just browse for this PC. For me, I have some image here in my download. So let me just go and grab one, this as an example. And as you can see, the image is inserted now. I will be able to send the message with the image on the email. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.